Running a house cleaning company shouldn't mean being glued to your phone. But for most business owners, that's the reality. Manually replying to leads, confirming bookings, sending reminders, chasing reviews, every day, on repeat. Eventually, it burns you out. And growth starts feeling like a burden. What if your business could run without you doing all of that manually? That's what automation was built for. And Go High Level is the platform that makes it possible. At WebEye, we took Go High Level and built a done-for-you system on top of it, designed specifically for house cleaning companies. Here's what that means for you. A lead fills out your form. They get an instant reply. Don't respond? They're followed up with automatically. Job confirmed? Appointment reminder sent. No extra work. Job complete? A review request goes out. All hands-free. You don't write emails. You don't set up workflows. You don't need a VA or admin. You get a system that runs itself and frees you up to focus on the big picture. Click the link in the description to access the WebEye system built on Go High Level and let your house cleaning business start running on autopilot.